The work we're doing as a team will forever alter the world. We concentrate our genius, our resources, and our focus on the most critical business priorities and objectives. Sunrunners bring compelling business outcomes to the table to create a virtuous cycle of identification, analyzing, planning, and executing to achieve real and measurable impact. We evaluate the entire dimension of an opportunity for the company. Sunrun scales smartly to deliver industry-leading, profitable growth that builds a business to last for decades. Hi, I'm Chris Dawson, Chief Operating Officer for Sunrun. So impact is about doing the right things and executing with excellence. Doing the right things is about being focused on the right priorities, those things that are going to make the biggest difference for our customers and for the company. Making sure that we stay focused on them and that we eliminate waste when we see it. It's also about making sure that we're executing with excellence. Executing with excellence is about being proud of what we do. It's about being proud of how we do it. Really, we need to make sure that we're executing with speed, quality, and cost in mind. That means we have to be efficient in what we do, we have to be effective at what we do, we have to make sure we're getting things done, that we're moving things forward, and that we're doing it better and better each time. So what does this mean for Sunrunners day to day? Well, first, I've been so impressed by the passion at this company, the passion to create a planet run by the sun. Now we need to harness that passion. And we harness it by making sure that we're focused on the right priorities, that day in and day out, we're making things better and we're making things happen. That we truly are improving how we do business for our benefit as a company, as a group of Sunrunners, and ultimately for our customers to make sure they have a better customer experience. Well, when we operate with an impact mindset, it means that we move faster towards creating a planet run by the sun. It means that we make the company a better company, and that means it's a win-win-win. It's a win for our customers, it's a win for the company, and it's a win for all of us as Sunrunners.